Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Botulinum toxin. Botulinum toxin is from Clostridium botulinum. This botulinum toxin is the most lethal toxin to the mankind. It contains the subtypes A, B, C till E. Clinically, we use A, B, E are used. We have various preparations for botulinum toxin like Dysport, Botox, Anabotulinum toxin A, and Botulinum toxin A. And the uses of botulinum toxin are: it is used in achalasia cardia, blepharospasm, cervical dystonia, chronic headache like migraine prophylaxis, or it can be used in cosmetology, that is to remove the wrinkles. It is used in glabellar lines, strabismus, or squint surgery. We can use this botulinum toxin. Cervical dystonia, we can use botulinum toxin. Then hyperhidrosis can be used. In this we can use botulinum toxin. So botulinum toxin can be used in achalasia cardia, blepharospasm, cervical dystonia, chronic headache, cosmetology, glabellar lines, strabismus or squint, and hyperhidrosis.
thank you and thank you for watching.